still have nil and nil for the email. Yeah. But that works.
Do you have attribute accessor anymore?
I did. At one point, I did have them in the models because I thought I needed to do them immediately, but I got rid of them a while back, and I dropped the database, create a new one, and migrate everything again. So I did at one point had it in there. But I don't know why I'd be still hanging on to it. Keep should be there. Yeah, so there's nothing in there now.
I mean, can I look at your user's controller file?
I don't have a controller yet. I'm just in the model side.
Sorry, Amber Alert.
No problem, man.
Sucks. All right. Yeah, can you go to your user's controller?
I don't have a controller yet. At this point, I've just messed with the models. I'm just playing around with seeing if I can even create. I just wanted to see if I could actually create the model and just go through the basics of the controller. That's all. Okay. I realized I just ran into this little hiccup. I'm like, I wonder why it's not saving. So
can you do user.update attributes and then just like throw in a name or something?
Okay, so you want me to do in the controller users?
Sorry, lowercase user.
User.update?
Update attributes.
All one word or underscore?
Update, yeah, underscore attributes, and then parenthesis, name, colon, and then name.
Whatever the name is?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. I think it was Josh.
Can you try double quotes just in case? I just want to see what happens.
Sure.
Mm-hmm. And then just type user. Okay, geez.
I got two for you.
Do you have the most recent code pushed to GitHub?
Yes, I think I do. I can probably just push it again and just do it one more time. Okay, it's out there.
I'm just pulling up on my side.
Okay. Yeah, I'm just in the brand spanking first part of the whole project. You know, again, they just asked me to start with models. I'm going to remove the controllers next. But I said, well, let me do this controls test to see if it's working.
Yeah. Can we go to the user model?
Yeah, sure. It's right here.
That's
Yeah, being the same thing. Right? There has to be something different about this.
Yeah.
Let's put out here for fire. Hey, Daddy, let's get fire.
Go play in there. My little 2-year-old is very much liking to talk now. So got some another chant in here. Okay. Yeah, so that's, I don't know what else it could be. Was that? I mean, I thought I saved this. That shouldn't be an issue. I'm pretty sure I
Does
saved.
does it work with any of them or no?
Oh, it worked that time. Whoa, look at this. That's weird. All I did is do the reset again. Let's take a look at it again. User. Yeah, it works. That's weird. Huh. User.name. Yeah. Email. That's strange.
Did you change anything?
No, not that I'm aware of. That's interesting. Well, hell, hey, there you go. I'll just keep moving on then. If that works, then I'm in good shape. That was easy enough. Fluke, but that was easy enough. All right. Well, thanks, man. I appreciate it.
Yeah, I'd love to know what.
I guess that kind of happens every once in a while. You probably just look and say, "What the hell just happened?" I don't know. I've never had that happen, but that's kind of interesting. All right. Well, I'll keep moving along. I should make some serious headway today, hopefully, and then tomorrow I should have some good questions for you because this is the API project. So hopefully I have good stuff for you to review with me tomorrow.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, I want to know what changed. Can you do that with items or like item?
Item. I'm sorry.
Can you create an item?
Yeah, like user, like a.
Yeah, it's working in terms of items.
New user equals. Oh, items. Yeah, okay. I haven't done that yet. That's true.
Items working fine.
Okay.
Not user.
Okay, so that's working good too. Okay, well.
Have you installed the Vise or anything, or no?
Not yet. I mean, I'm just at the bare beginning. So I just started. I'm just doing my tests to make sure things are working properly as I slowly move through the process. So I'm just now in the models. I'm probably going to do controllers next.
Oh, okay. I think I see the problem. Can you go to? So it's funny because. Yeah, okay. Well, mine's working now too. So in the version that I pulled, can you press Command Z?
Command Z.
Okay.
Oh.
Okay. Is there anything? No, Command Z.
I am hitting Command Z. Command and Z or Command and Z?
Command Z.
Yeah. Huh. What's this?
Yeah, can you keep pressing Command Z?
Oh.
Yeah, see? It should be accessory. That was the issue.
Crap. How do I go how do I go back now? Command
Command Shift Z.
Command Shift Z. This is new to me. Okay, cool.
Yeah, so
yeah, it was there at one point, but I deleted it.
Yeah, I guess maybe the Rails console wasn't relaunched or something like that.
Okay, cool. Okay, so actually, but why? Okay, so help me out with this. The attribute accessor in my model, since that caused a problem here, when do I implement that in my model? I know I do at some point.
You really don't need it.
I don't need it?
Yeah.
Well, when do I see that in the most? I see it in the controller or the model the most? The accessor.
The accessor?
Yeah.
I've
done it quite a bit. I've used it before. I'm just trying to remember. I've seen it. I thought I saw it in the controller and also in the models before.
Yeah.
The accessor, I mean, the reason I'm doing that in the model is so that it has the ability to be accessed in the views or the controller. The attribute accessor.
Sorry. Say that again?
Yeah, I'm trying to remember that. When you use attribute accessor, the purpose for using it in a model would be so that the controller and the views have access to items or whatever, or user, for example.
So what you're asking is if attribute accessor is used to grab associations. Is that your question?
Yeah, because I mean, for example, if I go, where am I at? Looking around here recently. Where am I at?
Yeah. Here's an example.
Where's that? Yeah, I mean, I've seen it used quite. Here you go. They're using it in a model here in database migrations for. But I'm just kind of wondering, when do I need to pull that and use that again? I'm trying to remember.
Yeah. So actually, I just sent you a link on help forum.
Okay, got it.
So
Wow.
basically, you don't use it for like your actual things in your model, but you can use it for like virtual attributes. So one example is like password. In the database, it's not stored as password state. It's stored as like password hash or, one of those things.
Okay. Hang on.
So I can read it for you. If you declare an attribute accessor, then you can use it as a virtual attribute, which is basically an attribute on the model that isn't persisted to the database.
Okay.
Example
Okay.
case, you declare attribute accessor password in your user model so that you can use it as a field in your user form.
Okay.
When you receive, are you reading it? Okay.
Yeah, no, I totally see what you're saying now. It makes sense now.
Cool.
It just
Yeah,
I haven't touched that in a while. So
Sorry?
I know I just haven't touched that in a while. I haven't used the accessor in quite a while in Block. So I'm like, trying to remember when I use it. So.
Yeah. I mean, we used it quite a bit in like the exercises.
Yeah.
With just Ruby, but then Rails, we haven't used it that much, except for this.
Okay.
And Devise, I think, automatically generates it.
Okay, perfect.
So yeah, that's what the problem was. Somehow the attribute accessor was still there.
Okay.
Yeah.
Got it.
Yeah.
Well, good. Thank you so much, Ricky. I appreciate it. I'll have some stuff to show you tomorrow.
Absolutely.
All right. Have a good one, dude.
All right. See ya.